Okay, 2 pounds. These are 5-foot sections, and they're Kevlar in and out, and my clamp fits it. So all you have to do, slips right out. So this clamp will bolt on here, and then we'll do a different color. So we'll probably have this, instead of red inside, we'll just make it one solid Kevlar, and you can pick the color. I think I'm gonna have white and white inside, and then have maybe a red overlap. But this gets bowed on, so it's kind of a no-brainer where the overlap goes, because this doesn't really move, and it's about 5-inch overlap, and I think it's beautiful. I think I got the design, and then we'll probably just have a 2-inch solid rubber piece that fit, because this is 2 inches right here. So I want to know what you think. I was going to have some more made up. I could have some made up and send you 4 sections to test out, and then figure out if you want to sell them in the UK. And I don't care if you sell them here too. I'm not really interested in selling them. I need to get a supplier, because I'm an idea guy, and I need a good, honest vendor like you.